Hey family, happy Friday. Look, today we're going to just talk about limes. Look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe. So I want to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos. Today we're going to just talk about the benefits of lime. Look, first, we need to make sure we wash it and get all the impurities off our lime. So it's all different ways that you can clean your fruits and vegetables. What I like to do is I like to sometimes soak it in salt. Yes, I clean the lime with salt. Sometimes I'll use lemon juice or I use baking soda, but it all depends on what you have. And then sometimes you can use vinegar because you want to make sure you get all those bugs off. Look, we always counting calories. We need to be counting chemicals. Just saying, because you never know what's on your fruit. And it's look, we don't want to have all those chemicals because we want to be healthy. We want less impurities in our body, so we do less detoxes, cleanse. But make sure you're doing a detox at least once a quarter. Do either detox, cleanse, or fast. But I hope you're doing intermittent fasting throughout the week. It always helps because we worry about our digestive health. That's the main reason why I want to talk to you about the lime. Now, I ran out of my juice, so I said it's the perfect time to just go ahead and knock out this video so we can talk about the benefits of lime. After we wake up and do our stretch, the best thing you want to do is when you drink water, because I love to tell y'all guys, make sure y'all drinking 4 ounces of water and immediately. Look, immediately as you wake up. I always say go to the bathroom because look, every time we want to do is go to the bathroom, but first get that stretch in when you first wake up. Go use the restroom, and the next thing you should do is you should have your water. So what I like to do is I like to have lime in my water. I ran out of lime juice. I said, well, let me just do this video and I can show you guys what I actually do. So after I wash my limes, well, because of the skin, I let it soak in salt water, and then I will go ahead and put some lemon water. That's what I do. Mainly when it's this type of skin, because we're talking about fruits and vegetables, I will go ahead and do a next step and use baking soda. I got to use the baking soda because look, like I said, I want less chemicals in my body because I have digestive issues. A lot of people don't realize most illnesses, you ever know when you go to the doctor, you're always going to the doctor and you go to the doctor and the doctor can't find out what's wrong with you, but you're always having pain and issues and you don't know what to do, and the doctor is steady checking your body and making sure you're okay. And what you need to do is you need to think about your digestive health. You need to think about your digestive health because that's the last thing we think of. Think about when you get up in the morning, what do you think? Are you thinking about your digestive health, or you think about, oh, what I got to do? Oh, I got to go to work. I got to get the kids ready. You think about your normal daily chores. So what people don't realize is it's your gut. It's your gut health. Like what we ate the day before, our body is still breaking down the food that we had 24 hours ago. Yes, it's still breaking down what you had the next day. And people don't understand. It's your gut. It's your gut. So what I like to do is I like to take half of a lime, and I will put it in my water. Yes, I will put it in my water. So this is what I do every morning. And I will take half a lime and I will drink it. I will drink it. And some secrets, I like to put cayenne pepper. Look, I like to put cayenne pepper. But instead of using this, I like to use a tincture. So what I do, I like to use Purple Sage of Healthy Living's cayenne pepper. Some days I use peppermint oil, essential oil. Some days I use black pepper. You do alternate days. Some days I do freshly squeezed lemon. Like I said, freshly squeezed, just like freshly squeezed limes. This is what I do every morning, but I alternate. I alternate between it. So I just want to make sure you know this is what I do. Because what you want to do is you want to, after you wake up and after you had your fast, because you know you fast all those hours unless you that person that get up in the middle of the night and eat what you shouldn't. But what you want to do is you want to age your body. You want to drink this because what you actually doing to your body, you actually getting your body prepared. You know, you drink this, your body's like, okay, my body's getting, you know, you waking up your body, you rehydrating your body, and you're getting ready to eat your breakfast. So if you want to get away, you know, get rid of that stubborn weight, because this helps in weight loss. It helps in weight loss, and people are like, no, it don't. Yes, it do. Do 2 a day. Just one half, one half. Sip on it all day. You know, you'll see your body changing, because what it does, it actually helps digest your food. You want to add some cayenne pepper. Just 1 drop. Look, this stuff is very strong, very strong. You just add 1 drop, and you don't stand up and drink your water. I'm going to get my chair. You just sit down, and then you drink your water. Do this before anything. Coffee, orange juice, before anything. Because you want to rehydrate your body. You want to get your body to say, okay, I'm drinking my, and I'm cleansing. I'm still detoxing. I'm getting stuff out, which I don't understand. This is our gift from Mother Nature. So I'm just cutting them up so I can go ahead and juice them. I already cleaned them. So I'm cutting them up so I can have my lime juice. Okay, family, so I squeezed all of my limes. Look, I know I can get a little bit more, but for video purposes only, I just did it real fast. So I have this much lime juice. I know you're like, Viola, all that squeezing, you only got a little bit of lime juice. But look, think about the great benefits. This is organic lime juice, freshly squeezed. And look, you're not drinking all of this juice. No. What you're doing, you just need a splash. All you need is splash. This is my water for today. So this is 6 cups, 3 and 3. And all I do, and I make sure I gauge throughout the day to make sure I'm getting my water. Remember, this is 6 cups. You're supposed to have 8 throughout for the entire day. So just think it's 2 cups less. But I say you want a cup before you go to bed, and you want a cup when you get up in the morning. So this is how you can average your water. This is how you can make sure you're getting half your body weight. You know, in water. Well, I keep recommending that you drink half your body weight, and this is the great way to get half your body weight. And look, all you're doing is a splash. You're just doing a splash. You're not doing a lot, just a splash. And look, I put too much. Normally, I will take a teaspoon or a tablespoon, and I'll just put a little bit in there and do a splash. And that is perfect. Perfect. So I set my water up. But if you want to get gangster, you know, if I was you, I would put some cayenne pepper tincture. This is Purple Sage Healthy Living. Go see Mama D. So I will actually do something extra for myself. Yes, I did it in the morning when I woke up, when I drunk my water, my first 4 ounces. But I like to, on one part, I like to, you can actually put a pinch of cayenne pepper, but I like to put the tincture. So I'll put 2 drops, just 2, into one side. Because look, I'm always thinking about my digestive health. I want to make sure everything's getting out, especially those free radicals. And I want a good heart health. You know, you want, you know, you don't want heart disease. You don't want any issues with your heart. So you want something that helps inflammation. So I use, you know, my brother's black pepper essential oil, and I'll put 1 drop in my other water. Look, it takes a long time. Matter of fact, I put 2 drops because this is 3 cups and that's 3 cups. And I'll just drink these throughout the day. I just drink it throughout the day. And this is how you can gauge. People always want to know how you gauge. Because look, if you want to be healthy, you can sip on lime. You could do the same thing with lemon. You know, you could do the same thing with lemon. People don't understand the great benefits and what they can do to their body. Because look, you got so many people dying of heart disease, stroke, you know, don't know they got plaque in their arteries. And look, people who suffer from diabetes, this is great, as you know, instead of having plain water. So I just want to touch on some things. Let me read from my notes. Just want to touch on some things so I can make sure I give you everything. You know, this is great for vitamin C because those antioxidants. Think about the free radicals in your body. I know I talked about it before, but think about free radicals are in your body and they damage your DNA. They damage your cells. So we want good cells. We want our DNA intact. We don't want them other boogers that they trying to do with them tats. But anyway, you know, it fight off the colds, infections, and flus. So it improves your eye health. It relieves constipation, stimulates urinary, because a lot of people do suffer from bladder infections, bladder issues. This actually removes those toxins and helps your bladder fight those toxins. People suffer from peptic ulcers, you know, suffer from arthritis, that inflammation that hurts our joints, and those people who have gout that have that umbilicating pain that they can't move their hands, they can't move their legs, especially their toe where it's like frozen. Lime. Just take some lime. I'm telling you. We sleep on so many different things and we have it in our arsenal. We have it in our arsenal. And please do not throw this away. Do not throw this away. You know, get your dehydrator. Show your mind. I got my dehydrator. So I'm going to make sure that that's a whole other video, you guys. Whole other video. So I want to make sure that, you know, I keep that. Because right now, the peel, the skin, all that's still nutrients. All that. If our body's in the right condition, the lime, eating, whether you eat the skin, the peel, or the inside, or the meat, like I like the pulp, this actually have your body understands that when it's a bad cell like cancer, study shows it's already proven, it actually take those cancer cells and move them out your body. That's how important the lime is. That's why I'm always telling you guys, drink some lime water. Add just a splash, just a splash. Now you see why I go to the trouble of washing and getting the chemicals off and actually taking my time and squeeze it. I don't care how long it takes. I just want a cancer-free body. I just want to boost my immune system, make sure that I get the plaque out, make sure that I'm getting those free radicals out, making sure that I push the bad cells, the bad poisons, the bad toxins, all those chemicals out my body. Because I want my body to heal itself, correct the stay in with the correct immune health, because our intestines, it's supposed to be flowing freely. You know, we don't want that poop to sit in there. We don't want to reabsorb toxins, poisons, parasites. We don't want that in our blood. We want good blood. We want the lime to actually goes where it needs to go, get the nutrients inside our blood, alkaline our blood, so we can have less infections, less issues, and make sure that we have good heart health, you know, making sure our liver's fine, so, and our bladder's fine. I know you're like, wow, so a whole lot of things that you don't know with lime. Yeah, just a simple lime. So don't sleep on it, guys. Make sure you guys incorporate lime. I'm just showing you how to get your lime on throughout the day. You don't have to use cayenne pepper. You can just have straight lime. And like I said, you can have straight water by itself. But some people are like, oh, your water's boring. Add some ginger. Yeah, I already know I said to do your ginger shots. You know, don't sleep on it. There's so many different things that y'all can do with lime. I just want to make sure I show you. Just want to show you. And y'all be wondering how I keep my weight down. Yes, lime. And look, don't think that you could like try to prove me wrong. Put down in the comments. I don't mind. Put some stuff down in the comments. You know, if y'all got questions about the lime. But Just because you hear me say take 2 cups a day and it help with weight loss, that still means you need not to eat gluttony. You know, a lot of people, we just pig out all day. We just eat, and we shouldn't. We shouldn't. We need to eat less. Especially what's going on now. Y'all need to eat less. I know you don't want to hear this, but I just want to make sure we're going to stick on the subject of lying. But we need to eat less. I just want to put it out there. But look, it's no joke. So think about the next time, you know, you're constipated. You know, you feel like, you know, your indigestion. You're like, did I have some lime? Maybe I should think about what herbalist Viola said about the lime. So just want to just show y'all the good benefits of lime and what we need to do, because I want those cancer cells, I want all that poison and toxins to go out. I don't want the I don't want it to stay in my body. So just want to tell you the great benefits of all. But look, it's Friday. Get your limes. Get your limes. Look, herbalist Viola, I care about you guys. I worry about your digestive, because you know when it goes in, we want it to come out. So all right, family, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.